If you have a lot of tools and you want to get, you have a lot of jobs, multiple machines, you're going to want to look at getting a tool presetter to cut down on tool setup time. So while your machine is running, you can go ahead and load up your tools and get all your X and Z offsets for your next job. This is our standard unit.
Okay.
We have two new units here. The main differences on these units is you're going to have an air brake. It's a little bit more sturdy, a little bit faster and easier to use. And then we actually have a pull stud in this machine that will suck the tool holder down and has a little bit more repeatability, easier to use.
Do you have a spec on accuracy for these machines at all, Neil?
Yep, so these are accurate to about a micron.
Okay.
And there's 3 ways you can get the tool offsets from these machines into your Haas machine. You can, if all your machines are on Haas network, you can put all your offsets on a folder and then just import them over the internet. Put a USB in the side, upload your offsets, and then boom, send to the side of the control. Or they'll spit out these QR codes. Okay. You can physically tag your tools and then just scan them straight into the Haas control.
That little printer is down there, little demo printer, right?
So if you have a cabinet full of tools they haven't seen in a while, but they're already tagged, you can go just grab, scan them straight into your machine.
Great.
All right, cool. Thanks, Neil.